What's wrong?
Boy, the pond sure smells weird today.
Actually, I've been noticing that too. It's those damn geese.
Why do you say that?
When the geese spend so much time in this pond, and they use the bathroom, their waste produces a lot of phosphorus, which too much of can disrupt the ecosystem of the water.
Actually, in my civil engineering class, we learned a lot about phosphorus contamination. It's a key issue. For the health of the pond, phosphorus can actually reap many negative consequences, including the growth of toxic algae and other invasive weeds, and really disrupt the natural ecosystem. The algae it helps form sucks the oxygen out of the water that the other plants and fish rely on. More importantly, phosphorus is also a finite resource for many farming and crop growing purposes, such as fertilizer, providing necessary nutrients, and being able to take it out of the pond would be an important resource. Do you guys have any questions?
Yeah, I do. How do you measure the phosphorus level of
You
the
can measure
water?
it by using a pond water testing kit. You add drops of phosphate reagent into a sample of water and observe the color change of the solution. Then compare it to a chart to determine the phosphorus concentration.
Wow, that's so cool. But are there alternative methods for making the measurement?
Yes, a quick Google search would say that you use the Melick 3 soil test or the Bray number 1 and the Olson P tests. However, in the peer-reviewed article, Review of Robust Measurement of Phosphorus in River Water, Sampling, Storage, Fractionation, and Sensitivity, they mention that using specific methods such as the digestion method and the phosphomolybdenum blue method as means to determine the analytics of phosphorus fractions.
Interesting. But wait, why should we even measure it?
Measuring phosphorus is important to assess the health of the body of water. It's also an essential component for plant life, but too much of it can cause problems. By measuring how much phosphorus is still in the body of water, we can determine its health and perhaps more importantly, how much phosphorus is still left in the water after efforts to remove it.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Although come to think of it, what's a question you could help answer by making this measurement?
We could answer how polluted the campus pond is with phosphorus, as well as see how disrupted marine life is, such as algae and the fish.
Wait, in what context would we use these findings?
I believe they are used to see the correlation between the geese and their feces with the phosphorus levels in the pond. Although to see how dangerous the phosphorus levels are to marine life in the pond, as well as to the pond health overall. Also, this measurement is crucial in testing the effectiveness of phosphorus recovery efforts, allowing EWRE engineers to see how much phosphorus each removal effort was actually able to extract from the pond, and therefore hone their methods.
Ah, yes, that would make sense. But wait, you said you learned about this in your civil engineering class. How is this measurement related to civil and environmental engineering?
Civil and environmental engineering connect to water and water resources, so measuring phosphorus in the water is important so that the water can be kept clean. Environmental engineers work hard to keep water not polluted and safe to drink.
Wow, I feel like we learned a lot about phosphorus measurements. I'm glad we all helped each other learn today.
Yeah.
Yeah. The end.